This 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 380 DQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 380 DQS is 9,251 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.